Welcome to you. This is Mr. Perry, and Miss Von Driska's first major project of the year is entitled Introduction to Science and the Scientific Method. So, if you'd like, you can read along with me. All right, here we go. How do we find answers to observations we make? What is an observation? Well, it's information gained from one or all of the senses. Inference. It's a conclusion based on why something happened. And prediction. A guess of what will happen in the future. Well, based on this picture, what are your observations? Now, we base this on your senses. What do you see? What are the facts? Not what you think, but the actual facts. And from that, what can you infer? And what is your prediction? What is science? Science is an organized way of using evidence to learn about the natural world. Scientists are people who collect and organize information looking for patterns and connections between events. Now, scientists propose explanations that can be tested by examining evidence. Well, how is science done? Observation. This is the process of gathering information. Here's what I saw. Here's what I tasted. Here's what I felt. Prediction, a statement of what you think will happen next based on your observation. And data is the information gathered from making observations. There are two types of data. Quantitative data are numbers and are obtained by counting or measuring. I saw 5 toys. I had 5 cookies. Qualitative data are results obtained from one or more of the 5 senses. That is, seeing, hearing, tasting, touching, and smelling. An hypothesis is an educated guess or answer to explain a set of observations. A hypothesis must be stated in a way that makes it testable. It is often written as an if, then, because statement. Example, if white flowers are given water-dyed blue, then their petals will turn blue because the flower will absorb the blue dye. Scientific methods. The scientific method is a series of steps used by scientists to solve a problem or answer a question. Steps to the scientific method. First, we have number 1, observation or asking a question. Number 2, do research to form a hypothesis. Number 3, design a controlled experiment. Number 4, record qualitative and quantitative results. Number 5, analyze results. Number 6, draw conclusions. And number 7, share information with others. Let's look at step number 1, or observation, or asking a question. A problem or a question must first be identified. Like, how much water can a root hair absorb? Why does a plant stem bend toward the light? Or what effect does temperature have on heart rate? Step number 2, form a hypothesis. Hypothesis, a possible explanation to the question or problem created after doing some background research. It is simply a prediction and has not yet been proven or disproven. It must be stated in a way that is testable. A statement is considered testable if evidence can be collected that either does or does not support it. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We had some good words here for this project. Observation, which is experiencing through our five senses. Inference, what do we think about those things that we've observed? Prediction, what happens next? A scientist observes and collects facts and information and forms hypotheses based on what he or she has observed. So there you have it. That is slides 1 through 10. Let's get those notes done. If you're a little bit behind, let's hit it and quit it. Let's go.